Hello YouTube, it's Troy again. This time I'm coming to you live from my bedroom. Alright, so I've been kind of lenient towards shit, like stuff that annoys me. And it's not that there's a lot of things that annoy me, it's just there's a lot of shit that annoys me, Like when you're at lunch and okay, all of you know that I'm, well, whoever does know me, and I knows that I'm a senior in high school as of right now. There's like the worst day you could possibly ever have at our school, which could possibly be every day, because every day is pretty shitty when you go to high school, of course. But this particular day, which is a Friday, is like the best day ever, because you're like, okay, thank God, we're out for the fucking weekend, it's Friday, let's go get drunk, or, let's do whatever the fuck we want to do, because it's the fucking weekend, right? Okay, so all day is boring up until lunch. Lunch was like the turning point of everyone's day, like today, because it was just so much fun. Basically, we had what you would call a rubber band war. We flung rubber bands around and shit, and that doesn't annoy me. It was actually a good thing, like a good thing to happen today. But what does annoy me is dumb people, they could just take the best situation and turn it into a bunch of shit, Like, if you're just sitting there having a good time, all of a sudden you come up and someone pushes you, yeah, you think it's funny to hit me with a rubber band? And you didn't do shit, you're just sitting there like, okay, yeah, have a fucking crowd up your ass because I'm the one that fucking hit you with the rubber band. You're so cool, you're cool, Yeah, and everyone's like, fight, nobody's gonna fight each other, come on now, he's nothing, I'm not wanting to fight someone, shockingly enough, because I'm black, you would expect me to want to kick some ass all the time, but I just don't do that type of shit, But the third one will be clothes. Okay, so how when you're in high school and you buy new clothes and then you're so excited about your new clothes, you're like, okay, I'm gonna show this off at school. So you go to school and you're like, yeah, okay, that's great, I showed it off. And the next thing you know, you're like, oh, well, now this shirt looks better than this shirt. So you wear that shirt again, in the same week, but not the day after, because then people think you're dirty, So I have a couple of associates at school. One of my friends, his name's Ron Randog. I call him that. It's his nickname. He wears a shirt that I think I see him wear three times, probably three times or more than once in a week, and it's not the fact that he's dirty, he's one of the cleanest clothes kids that I met. It's the fact that he just doesn't care, and I admire that about some people. They just don't care, they don't give a fuck about what they wear to school, because it's who are you trying to impress, You're not gonna be that guy that goes out and buys something new every fucking day and then comes to school oh, look at me, yeah, look at all the shit that I got, have everybody drilling all over you, what the fuck, who are you showing off to? You've been with these people since preschool, they pretty much know what you're only time you can literally do something like that is when you're coming back from Christmas. If you're doing that in general, it's expected of you, then no offense, you're a douchebag. It's pretty obvious that all you want is fucking attention. And then the another thing that I don't understand is when people go out, this is including guys too, which is really, really sad, because you think that would be the gayest thing you can do, is when you go out and you buy jeans that have holes in them. The whole purpose of jeans is to cover up your legs. Why would you buy jeans that has holes in them? That's like going out to that's like going to Walmart and buying a cereal that's half empty, and you have a family size box but it's half empty. That's fucking retarded as hell. That's like going to the sperm bank and coming in your hand and say, here's my semen sample, without fucking having a cup at all. It's just retarded. Where's the sense in that, no one's gonna fucking just take your jizz and be like, oh, okay, thanks, let me just slur that on my face there. Yeah, no. It's why would you buy something with fucking holes in it? It's retarded. The simple fact is, okay, I'm gonna use girls in this instance. Girls, when they put on clothes, they think of only one thing, looking cute, which I deeply deeply appreciate, because you have no idea how awesome it is to see a hot ass girl and some nice ass jeans. But like, you know, and then the only thing that pisses me off about it at the end of the night is like they don't think of how, like, you know, what the weather's gonna be like at the end of the night. They just think about looking cute. So when they're standing outside with the holes in their pants, like, oh my god, I'm freezing, my legs are so cold, like, it's like, gee, I fucking wonder why. It can't be like that fucking huge ass gap down the left side of the leg of your pants, you know? It's like, what the fuck were you thinking, you know? Like I said, all I think about is looking cute, which I appreciate. I'm not narking on them for it. I'm just saying, you know, maybe you should think things through. But yeah, that's just some things that piss me off. It's just a lot more. Soon I'm gonna be putting up a lot more videos, because it's like, it's just everyday things that, like, you know, just like piss me off for no fucking reason. It's just like retarded. Like, and I will be recording wherever I am, by the way. It's not just gonna be here in my room, or it's not gonna be a certain day I put stuff on. It'll probably be like a Monday. So I'm gonna put this on YouTube Monday, and then I could put another one on the very next day, like, hi again, like, you know, I just found something else that pisses me off, you know. But yeah, it's like, God, you just don't know. It's ridiculous. But yeah, that's all I got right now. I'll see you guys another time, another day, later.